Okay, so once you've logged into the website using uckfieldfestival.co.uk/wp-admin, go to schedule, go to all schedules. Once you go to all schedule, you'll see a list of the previous schedules on there. I'm going to add a test. So if you click on add new schedule, call this test, and I'll call this test as well. Right hand side, there's a section called categories. If you add new category, or if you see an existing one that you want to use, in this case I want to add one called the 11th of Sunday the 11th, so we're just going to put 11 Sunday and add new category. Once you've done that, make sure you copy this before you add it, or just make sure it's exactly the same, or you remember exactly how it's typed. So I'm going to hit publish. Whilst that's being published, go to the home page. Go to the home page here, and then click Edit with WPBakery Page Builder. Once it loads, scroll down to the schedules. On the schedule, hover over the middle of the schedule and hit the pencil button, which is the edit button, and make sure you've got 11-sun exactly how you've typed it in the categories that you've just typed. This can obviously be anything, providing you've matched to the category. So 11-sun is already in there, which is fine. If it wasn't, I just type it in, hit save changes, close. You can see 11-sun is now there and my test is there too. You hit update in the top right hand corner when you're ready to update.